Bold flavors simmering in one pot. Today on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making a soul food classic. We are cooking creamy southern butter beans. Some folks call them lima beans. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Pour dried butter beans into a large bowl and cover with water. Soak beans overnight. Before cooking, drain beans and rinse them. The lima beans should have doubled in size. Take a moment to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other high-protein meals. If you like what you see, subscribe below. This helps our channel grow. Prepare seasonings. Chop onion, remove seeds from, and chop bell pepper. Chop celery too. Over medium heat, spray a large pot with nonstick spray. Melt butter in it. Place onion, bell pepper, and celery into pot. Saute until softened. About 5 minutes. Gather Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, Creole seasoning, and bay leaves. Add dried spices to the pot. Cook 2 minutes. Also add beans to the pot. What meats would you add to this lima beans recipe? Leave your response in the comments below the video. We are adding pickled pork. You see this fat layer? Remove it. Slice meat to the size of your liking. Place pork into pot. Add vegetable broth and combine. We need liquid about 2 inches higher than beans. Add water until you reach that level. Combine again. Boil beans for 10 minutes. Simmer and partially cover with a lid. Cook 1.5 hours, stirring every 30 minutes. Slice andouille sausage. Add andouille sausage to the pot. Combine. Partially cover and cook 30 minutes. If you are enjoying this recipe, like and share it. Subscribe below so you know when we release new recipes. Stir to combine. Beautiful, the color of butter. Remove from heat. Chop green onions. Add them to the pot. Combine one final time. And serve. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.